Tuesday, and I have been invited by Sir PJ Eugenio from ValueRx to a seminar about endodontics. Last year, na-attendan ko na siya, but ang problema agad. Hindi ko na-enjoy yung topic dahil nga medyo masakit ang tiyan ko noon. But this time, babalik ako para mag-training ulit. Kasi hindi naman laging okay ang practice. I admit, pinaka-weakness ko ang endodontics. So medyo, since student ako, lagi pumapalpak ko. So itong seminar nito is parang chance sa akin para matuto ulit. May papakita sila mga bagong technology din. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Sa kaibigan ko ding isa pa. Asa? Good morning. In-invite ko din siya sa seminar para at least may kasama ko. Bale, classmate ko siya before sa surgery, but mas focus siya sa endodontics. Tara, let's. Good morning.
February, and after that, China has stopped all exporting.
The grad school for endodontics specifically, and I usually say that I teach there, but this semester I decided to take a break.
You have to factor in na, as I said kanina dito, not all apex locators are 100% all the time tama yung reading. There is still a little bit of a margin of error. So what I noticed with my apex locator is that, and again, it depends on the type of apex. It depends on the apex locator that you use. Na if I'm using it in a non-vital case, siguro mga 90+% of the time the working length is correct. So medyo natatrust ko yung apex locator ko when I'm working on a non-vital case. If I'm working on a vital case, ang laki ng margin of error sa reading. So what I do is I take pre-op, a working length radiograph, then master cone, then obturation. So dun sa working length radiograph, dun ko bine-verify kung tama yung reading ng apex locator. Tapos basically all you have to do, put it in as far as you can, and then use by increments. Pero again, the purpose of this
Yeah.
When you're cutting, make sure na naka-activate the entire time. Okay, so parang nakaganyan, but hindi yung i-activate, bitawan yun, tapos tsaka pala tayo naka-cut. Or hindi yung i-activate, tapos pasok, tapos i-stop mo. Kasi if the heat stops, you will not be yung term piniting natin na pumasok sa loob. And that's not necessary. And when you do that, and you do this, napuputol yun. Kasi na,